Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Faren, and here on my channel I talk about all types of beauty and lifestyle type situations. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and comment down below and let me know if you decided to join us. That was a lot, I'm sorry. Let me tell you, I have not done one of these videos in a long time. So I figured I had to come back with something good. And this is, do I still love it? Olaplex edition. Let's go ahead and get into this. I have quite a few Olaplex videos on my channel already. They will be linked in the description box if you want to follow up after this one. But we are going to start with number 0. So I don't have number 0 in my presence because I don't use it anymore. 0 was released right when I had heat damage, right? And I had never used Olaplex before. This was the beginning of 2021 and I was just in dire need of trying to fix my hair. So I was really big on using 0 and 3 together. And I'm talking about before it was in the spray nozzle, like when it was in the nozzle, like the little nozzle that you could just put directly on your hair. So in my opinion, if you watched my natural hair journey all of 2021, I firmly believe that 0 and 3 together really did work really well on my damaged hair. It not only helped me to maintain my hair, stopped it from breaking off, but the curl, even like, it didn't come all the way back because I have type 4 coily hair, but it wasn't as stringy and just straight as it was when the heat damage initially occurred. And it worked so well that I went completely ginger at the end of 2021. So I will not come on here and say that it didn't work, but as far as my journey now, I don't really feel like I need 0. I think I take really great care of my hair. So 0, nah, you're not really worth it to me anymore. Which takes me to number 3, because you have to use 0 and 3 together. 0 was like a primer, just something to make 3 work even better. You know what I mean? And y'all, like, I continued to use 3 after I had transitioned away from the 0. And I was really still good using 3 until I accidentally slept in this. And it took my hair so long to get back to what I was used to. It over moisturized my hair. I don't know, it over bonded my hair. I don't know what it did, but I didn't like it. And now I just kind of feel like I don't really need to use 3 either. That's not saying that these are bad products and that they don't work. Like I said before, I do believe that they work. I just have moved on to other products and I'm trying different things. That's what we do. But yeah, I no longer anticipate having 0 and 3 in my stash. So next we will move on to number 4 and number 5. I keep my number 5 upside down just because it's easier to use it. 4 and 5 are the Bond Maintenance shampoo and conditioners. And honestly, I like these. Like, plain and simple, I like them. Obviously you can see that I use them. This shampoo a little goes a long way. I do believe that it is balancing because it has that citric like scent to it. I know there has to be. I don't feel like going through this, but I feel like there's citric acid in here, which is really good for like maintaining the pH balance of your hair. And I actually used these for this wash day and it worked really well. Like, you don't need to use heat or anything with the number 5. I was able to detangle my hair. I applied it on soaking wet hair, let it sit for a few minutes, and could fully detangle, and my hair was clean after this and soft after this. Are they worth the $28? They're probably $30 now, inflation. Sure, I like them. I like them. Love it. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I really do like them. I like using systems. And if you like Olaplex, I'm saying, like, continue to use it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just I have so many things in my stash. So I'm not going to go in like number order from here. I'm just gonna go into the number 8, which is also in my stash. I just don't feel like getting up to get it right now. I like number 8. It is the Intense Moisture Mask. It works. It's not really a deep conditioner. You can use it alone. You don't have to use it after 5. I believe I've used it after 5. It didn't boost anything, but it moisturizes your hair. It's very small. You don't need a lot. That goes for all Olaplex products. You don't need a lot. They are very well formulated. They distribute very well. If you like, for the most part, just spread them out in your hand, a little really does go a long way. The 8 I could do without. It's not really a necessity, and that's probably just because me, as the natural coily girl that I am, I like to go in heavy with my deep conditioners, and it just, that's a personal preference. It works. It's just a personal preference that I don't really love it like that. Next, and my most recent favorite product from Olaplex would have to be the Olaplex number 9. This is a bond protector. It is a heat protectant. It is supposed to help protect your hair against environmental damage, and it really helps with detangling. Like I just mentioned, really a little goes a long way, and I really do enjoy using this prior to blowing my hair out. Now, this is a serum type consistency, so personally, if you are a curly coily girl like me, I would be careful with using too much of this and going into like a flat iron straightener type situation, because I'm going to mention this again, but when you have oil, you put oil in a frying pan, don't you? And usually it cooks things. So when you add heat, it's almost like cooking your hair. So really, you have to be very light with using this product, but I really do enjoy this. I just want to give you that warning. So yes, I still love number 9. I still have my empty one right here, and this is a brand new one. Moving on, I don't have 6 easily available, but that is the leave-in cream, which I more so consider as a blowout cream. Definitely not something that I would use as a typical leave-in. I don't see myself applying that to my hair and then doing a twist out, just because leave-in is a product that I like to apply in the shower, and it's something that I like to go in a little more heavily with when I do use it. So typically, I really only use 6 when I'm blowing my hair out, and I usually cocktail it with the number 7. So I have mixed feelings about this bonding oil. I like it, but the fact that you are supposed to use this as a heat protectant is kind of like iffy to me. So just like what I was saying with number 9, especially if you're going to use both of them, I just feel like you have to be very, very light-handed, because as a natural, you are going to fry your hair if you are using a lot of this oil. I do think it's nourishing, but it's not an everyday oil. That's not the purpose of this oil. The purpose is for it to be a heat protectant. And I guess all of these products are supposed to have like this bonding type advanced technology that is supposed to like help with the health and maintenance of your hair. And I don't know. We'll talk more about that when I get into the products that I'm not gonna try. As you can see, I don't have the 4C or the 4P. Is that what it's called? I don't have the clarifying, the blue shampoo, or the purple shampoo. I just, from the reviews that I've seen, I've never really been moved or motivated to try those products out. My stylist actually used, I want to say she used the clarifying shampoo the last time that I went. My hair felt fine, but like I said, I have plenty of clarifying shampoos that I enjoy, and at this point, I don't know if Olaplex is still focusing on like their innovative technology, and nothing about those products seem innovative to me. They also came out with a brand new dry shampoo. Still not really moved to try that out either. I only use dry shampoo when my hair is straight, and I'm pretty okay with using the brands that I'm using. I don't really feel a need to try them out. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried any of these products that I haven't. And let me know, like, I'm not completely closed off, but just from the reviews that I've seen and me not buying it as soon as I see it, like, that just means I'm not really that interested, you know? And last but not least, y'all, this is what sparked me to even do this video. Today, they just dropped a lash serum. And this lash serum is supposed to have this bonding innovative technology that Olaplex is known for. And you're supposed to use it, I believe, I didn't even look into it, but you're supposed to use it for your eyelashes, possibly your eyebrows. But y'all, it's $68. $68 Olaplex? Like, what are we doing? What is going on here? Like, I just kind of feel like possibly, like, Olaplex is just in it to win it at this point, and they just want you to follow the system, which I was cool with. Like, when they came out with the number 9, I was like, yes. But I don't know. It just doesn't really seem as elevated and as advanced as it did 2 years ago when I first got into it. But that is just how I feel today. I could feel completely different tomorrow. But as it stands, there are a few products that I still love from Olaplex, and there are a few that I'm giving a side eye to. Definitely that $68 serum. There is no way, like, absolutely not, that I'm paying for that. So, and this has nothing to do with the lawsuits, and I've even had a few of y'all tell me that y'all have had like allergic reactions to Olaplex, and not me taking up for the brand. I just believe like an allergic reaction could happen to any type of product, you know, it's what's in it. And so that definitely has to be taken into consideration. But I don't think Olaplex is a bad brand at all. I just don't love it the way that I used to. But I'm still going to use their products. I'm probably still going to use their shampoo and conditioner. Definitely for right now, still going to use the 9. 6, I don't really know. I do like cocktailing 6 and 7 together. If you've seen any video of me straightening my hair, I usually do that. But all in all, I'm very middle of the road when it comes to Olaplex now. So comment down below and let me know how you feel about Olaplex. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.